Do you want to know if Swagbucks really is a great and easy way to make some extra money online completely for free? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and many viewers have asked me for an updated Swagbucks review, so therefore I decided to record this video and I will show you exactly how it currently works, whether it's worth it or not in my opinion. I will also show you a €100 payment proof so you can see that it actually does pay, and talk about the overall earning potential so you can find out if it's the right opportunity for you or not. Let's start by going over who can join, and Swagbucks has become available in basically all countries. It used to be limited to only around 7 or 8 countries. Now it is available worldwide, but there are still limited opportunities in certain countries. But especially in English-speaking countries and in European countries, it does have quite a lot of different ways to earn. You can earn on the website. It also has an app, or actually it has several apps, and you just need to be aware that the full app where you can get access to all the earning opportunities is only available in few select countries. You can then find a survey app, Swagbucks survey app, that are available in more countries. But overall, this can be a little bit confusing, so just be aware that depending on your country, if you for example download the Swagbucks app, you might not find as many earning opportunities as you will on the website. If you decide to join, you will also get a great joining bonus. Exactly how big it will be between $3 and $5 when you live up to certain requirements, depending on where you live. If you're interested in that, you need to join through an invitation link. I will leave a link below to a full review and tutorial, and there at the top you can find the joining link that will give you that joining bonus. But before deciding whether you should do that or not, let me now log in. I'll show you exactly how it works, how you can earn, how much you can earn, and of course also show you how to withdraw and show you payment proof. So I am now logged into Swagbucks, and Swagbucks is one of the get paid to sites that has the most different ways to earn. But again, as mentioned earlier, some earning opportunities are not available in all countries. So maybe you have some that I don't have here, or maybe you have fewer. That is just how Swagbucks works. So I will just give you an overall tour, show you how it works, how you find the different opportunities, and then you can get a good idea of what the options are. Maybe there are a few differences in the country you live in, but you will get the idea, you will know how to navigate, how to use it. And one of the ways you can earn is by taking paid service. You will get an overview here, but you can also go to the answer section and then you will get an overview of the service that are available. And you can see there are a lot of service available where I live, for me here, all these different ones here. And you can also see an estimated time and the Swagbucks, the SB, that's the currency they use. We'll talk about the value of those later, that you will get also. The estimated time is quite accurate, and as it is with all other service sites, you will not qualify for all the surveys. That is just how it is. The reward you get per survey here, I would say on Swagbucks, it's decent, it's average compared to many other get paid to sites. But you should make sure to also use some of the other options. One option you can also use that are very easy is just this daily poll here. You can just spend a second clicking here. So you just say like here, and then you will earn, you see, 1 Swagbucks. Just by doing that, it takes literally 1 second. So that's also a good thing to do. But there are also these games. You can see there's a play section. Something you should definitely also check out if you like playing games. Again, how many games that are available will depend on the country you live in. You can go there, you can sort it by device there, by category also. You can see how much you can earn. Just be aware that you will not just get this amount here, of course, just by installing it. You need to click and then read the exact conditions. And here you can then see exactly what you need to do. You need to install it for the first time, this here, and then you can see how much you will get depending on the level you reach there. And sometimes there are some of the levels that, or some of the tasks you need to do that will require investment. So then you need to calculate yourself. That's how it is on all get paid to sites, whether it will be worth it or not. But the total earnings for the games, it is quite high, or the earning potential, but of course it also does take some time and effort. Be aware of that, but it can be a fun way to earn some extra money if you like playing games, and it does have quite a lot of different games you can play to earn. Swagbucks also has a shopping section, and here you can find stores, meaning cashback offers and coupons. And cashback offers basically means that whenever you're shopping, doing something online, you will get a percentage back of whatever you're going to spend anyway. So cashback offers in general are really great. How many that are available really depends on your location. You can see where I'm located currently, there are really not a lot, but in some countries they have hundreds or thousands of different cashback offers, so definitely worth checking out also. And be aware that you, for example, can also use this swag button there that is related to this. So this one here is where you will install the swag button in your browser. You'll get a little bonus for that, but also that means that you will get notified when you are on different sites that you're going to shop from anyways, if there is a coupon, if you will get cashback offers, so you will not have to go to Swagbucks and check it. So definitely a great way to make sure you get the most out of it. You can also find a discover section. This is what on many other get paid to sites is called offers or paid offers or offer walls. You can see, you can filter it depending on what you're looking for. You can also just go through, see the featured offers. Some of them are also from the gaming section, so just be aware of that. But you can also find the actually offer walls here and just go click one of those, and then you will see a lot of other offers. It can be to sign up for free trials, it can be to play games, it can be additional surveys. There are quite a lot here, and I would say the paid offer on Swagbucks also pays decently compared to many other get paid to sites. Another way to potentially earn is to use this search and earn option. So you can basically search any regularly phrase you would if you whatever you're using as a search engine. Anyways, you can use it inside here, and then you will get a chance to win. It's not guaranteed that you will win, but you will get a chance. Sometimes you will win, and you can win quite decent rewards. I believe it's up to $10. I have never experienced that myself, but you need to, of course, not just sit and make fake searches. It needs to seem like it's general way you will search there, how you would anyways. You can see it's powered by Yahoo there, and then you would just get these search results there. So you can use that, and then you get a chance to win. Again, it's not guaranteed earnings. It used to be available just for anyone, but now you need to unlock it by completing, for example, a survey, playing a mobile game, or just completing an offer. You can see upload a receipt. The receipts uploads where you can earn from that. That's something that's not available where I live, but that's just to show you also, this is what I said, that there are some earning opportunities that are available in some countries that are not in others. But it's very easy to live up to. If you're a member of Swagbucks anyways, you will do at least one of these quite often, and then it is unlocked for 60 days, the search and earn. So it's really easy to qualify for. And if you like using Yahoo anyways, why not once in a while use it here, and then you get a chance to potentially win a nice extra reward if you're lucky. But let's now talk about how you can get paid. I'll show you exactly how you can do that, which options you have, and also show you payment proof. So I have now jumped to the redeem section, and the exact options you have here will depend on the country you live in. You can see some options are gift cards, it's RTM, there's Payoneer, there's PayPal if you like getting paid in cash, and in some countries they have like more than 100 different gift cards you can choose from also. So it definitely has a good selection of different payout options, and it starts already at $5 for some gift cards. In some countries I have even seen it down to like $1 or $2 only that you need to be able to redeem. But for this purpose here, you can see I will choose the highest amount I can get via PayPal, just because people have asked for PayPal payment proof, but it has other great options as well. But I will click here, and then you can see I get the option to choose, and you can see your PayPal must be verified with the same email address as you used for your Swagbucks account when creating that. So that's just something to be aware of. Here, these are the options. It used to be possible to also withdraw more than just €100 or $100 via PayPal. Right now, anyways, this changes from time to time. This is the option, so that's what I will choose. I have enough to withdraw that. I'll talk more about full earning potential a little bit later there, but then I'll just choose that, and then I'll click to redeem. And I just had to go through where there was some private information there that was shown. And of course, I just skipped that, cut that out, so it didn't show it. But basically what you need to do is, if it's your first time withdrawing, you need to then also connect or verify your PayPal there. But if everything has been done that before, then I just needed to use my password again and then click a button. It literally took like less than 1 minute, and then you can see your order has been placed, and then I just need to wait, and the money will then go into my PayPal account. And I'll also show a screenshot here when the money do go into my PayPal account there, and I'll write also how long it took for it to arrive. Usually it is a few days or so, depending on when during the week you redeem there. But let's now talk about how much you can overall earn on Swagbucks. So I know whenever I show payment proof, a lot of people will ask me, how long did it take you, for example, to earn these €100, $100 there? And the thing is, with any online earning platform, it's difficult to say exactly how long it takes because it really depends on your country. In some countries, it would take you a very, very long time to earn, for example, $100. In other countries, if you use the paid offers, take quite a lot of surveys, use the cashback offers, options, and so you can definitely earn like $10 a day. In some good days, you can maybe earn even more. So that's definitely possible, and then it won't take too long. But in other countries, you will struggle to make $1 a day, and even that can be hard if you live in a country where there's not a lot of paid service available. So that's why I can't tell you exactly how long it will take. And also, to be completely transparent, I have of course also shared my referral link because you can also invite other people and then you can earn more. And I've talked about Swagbucks before on my YouTube channel, on my website, and I've shared my referral link, and some people that want to support me have joined through that also to get the joining bonus there, and quite a bit of my earnings are also from that. So that's just something to be aware of. You can also earn by that if you like it, if you join, you earn from it, you see it works, you can also invite others. And that can of course also boost your earnings. But I cannot give you an exact answer to how long it takes. What I can tell you is that it's not a way to make a living, it's not a way to become rich or anything like that, but Swagbucks definitely does pay. I've been paid by many times, you've just seen payment proof yourself. And as you can see here, also at the time of recording this video here, it has paid out millions and millions of dollars to people all over the world. And it is one of the get paid to sites that has existed the longest time. It's one of the first ones that I started testing like 7 or 8 years ago when I first started looking into different ways to make some extra money on the side. So it definitely does pay if you do everything honestly. And if you want to get started, I will leave a link below to a full written review I have on my website if you also like just reading. But at the top there, you can also find a joining link so you can easily get started and also get your joining bonus. So make sure to check that out below. And no matter what, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.